Hello and welcome. We will discuss PYQs of average in this video and our theme is formula based problems. I hope guys you have fair idea about the formula of average, but let me discuss this formula one more time. Average is given by sum of all the observations divided by total number of observation and the number of observation. Okay. Now, if we represent average with the help of A, sum with the help of S, and numbers with the help of N, so I can say A is equals to S upon N. Now, this formula of average is used only in two very famous form, one of which is this, and the second one is if you do the cross multiplication, then S will become equal to A into N, where S is sum of all the observation. So we can say sum of all the observation is also equal to average of all those observation into total number of those observation. I hope these two formulas or these two forms of the same formula are clear to everyone. Let's move on to the next part, which is question. Let's solve some problems now. So this is your problem number 1. It says the average age of teacher and 3 students is 20. Kindly write is here. If all the 3 students are of same age, so let's see age of each student is equals to X. And the difference between the age of teacher and each student is 20. Now, guys, we know that teacher will always be older than the student. So that is why age of teacher over here should be X plus 20, because the difference between the age of student and the teacher is 20. So age of teacher should be X plus 20. Now, in this case, we have 4 observations. First, the first is age of the first student, age of the second student, age of the third student, and fourth observation is age of the teacher. I know age of the first student as well as second student as well as third student is same, that is X. And age of the teacher is X plus 20. So if I add all these ages, so what is this now? This is sum of all the observation, because in this case, observation is age of each person present. So what is this? Sum of all the observation. And we know that sum of all the observation must equal to average of these observation, which is given equal to 20, into total count of these observation. We are having 3 students and 1 teacher. So under the observation, we are considering the age of 4 people, that is why into 4. Now, if we solve this, it becomes 4x plus 20, which is equals to 80. If you solve this further, from here, x will comes out to be equal to 15. Now, in the question, we are looking for age of the teacher, and which is x plus 20. So age of the teacher should be 15 plus 20, that is 35. Hence, the answer of the first question should be option C. I hope guys this is clear. Kindly make a note. Okay, let's move on to the next problem now. It says a family has 2 children along with their parents. The average of the weights of the children and their mother is 50 kg. The average of the weights of the children and father is 52 kg. If the weight of the father is 60 kg, then what is the weight of the mother? Now, I know the actual weight of the father and average when we are talking about children and father. So let's start with this statement first. Let's say the weight of the first child is X and the weight of the second child is Y, and it is given to me that weight of the father is X. So in this case, we are considering the weight of 3%, and this is the sum of those sum of the weights of those 3%. So we know that sum is equals to average of these 3%. What is the average of average weight of two child and their father? It is 52, which is given, into 3. Why 3? Because in this sum we are talking about only 3 observation or only 3 people. Now if we solve this from here, x plus y will comes out to be equal to 52 into 3 is 156 minus 60, which is 96. So sum of the weight of the children is what? 96. Now let's get back to this first statement. First statement says sum of the weights of the two children plus their mother should be equal to 50 into 3. Why? See, x is the weight of the first child, y is the weight of the second child, m is the, let's say, weight of the mother. So sum of these 3 weights must be equal to average of these 3 weights, which is given equal to 50. And how many weights we are talking about? 3 weights. That is why 50 into 3. Now from this first equation, we already know x plus y is 96. So 96 plus m is equals to 150. From here, if you solve this, it comes out to be equal to 150 minus 96, which is equals to 54. So weight of the mother is what? It is 54. Hence answer is option D. Weight of the mother is what? 54. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. Let's move on to the next problem. This problem says weight of the 6 boys and weight of the 7 girls and weight of the 3 men and weight of the 4 women, they all are equal. If average weight of the women is 63 kg, if average weight of the total women present is 63 kg, then what is the average weight of the boy? Now we know the average weight of the women, which is 63. Read the statement carefully and find out how many women are there. 4 women are there. So if average weight of 4 women is 63, then total weight of those 4 women should be their average into the number which is 4. I hope this is clear. Now I know the total weight of those 4 women, which is 63 into 4. So total weight of 3 men should be the same value, which is 63 into 4, and total weight of 7 girls should be the same value, which is 63 into 4, and total weight of 6 boys should be same, which is 63 into 4. Okay, so you know sum of all the weights of the boys is 63 into 4. So this is the sum of all the weights of the boys divided by how many boys are present. 6 boys are present. So sum divided by number. Total sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. This must be equal to average. If we solve this, we can cancel it out with the 2 and 3. So it comes out to be equal to 42. So I can say average weight of all the boys should be what? 42 kg. Hence option B is the right choice here. Kindly make a note of it. Okay, let's move on to the next problem now. It says the average weight of A, B, C is 40 kg. Let's say weight of A is A, B is B, C is C. So what is this? Sum of the weights of A, B and C. So we already know that sum is equals to average, which is given 40 into number of observation. How many weights are under the observation? Only 3. So into 3, which is equals to 120. So total weight of A, B and C is what? 120. Next statement says the average weight of B, D, E is 40 kg, 42 kg. So let's say weight of B is B, D is D and E is E. So we are adding 3 weights here. So sum of weights or sum of all the observation must equal to their average into number of observation. So what is the average of these 3 weights, B, D and E? It is 42. And how many weight are under the observation? 3. So 42 into 3, which comes out to be equal to 126. So this is my second equation. Next statement is weight of F is equals to weight of D. Weight of F is equals to weight of D. Sorry, weight of B. B it is. So what is the average weight of these 5 people and F? If you want to find out average weight of A, B, C, D till F, then you should know sum of all the weights and number of observation, meaning how many weights you are considering for average. So over here we are considering 6 weights for the average. I hope this is clear. Right? So with the help of this, we have to find out sum of all the weights from A till F. See, in this second equation, if I replace this B with F, my answer will not change. Why? Because weight of F and weight of B is same. So if B plus D plus E is 126, so definitely F plus D plus E should be 126. Done? Now, if you add this first and this third equation that we created, second one is, let's say this. If you add this, so what you will get? A plus B plus C plus F plus D plus E. You will get sum of the weights of these 6 people, and which is equals to 120 plus 126. And how many people are present? 6. See, A plus B plus C plus F plus D plus E. So we are adding equation 1 and equation 3. So if the left hand side is getting added to each other, so we're gonna add right hand side also, which is 120 plus 126. Now if you solve this further, so it becomes 246. So if you divide it by 6, it comes out to be equal to 41. And the answer of this question is option C. Kindly make a note of it. Kindly make a note of it. I hope guys you have understood all these problems. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.